morning. Welcome to episode 7 of the Panther Press. I am Celia Keys, the ASB Activities Coordinator.
And I'm Sophie Allen, the ASB Publicity Coordinator.
This is Homecoming Week. We hope you are all able to find one of the many activities to participate in.
Yesterday was PJ Day and Girls Powder Puff Flag Football in Apple Bowl.
Today is Dress as Your Favorite Holiday Day, and we hope you dressed up.
Don't forget to come to the girls' soccer game tonight. The theme is Pink Out, and the varsity game starts at 7 p.m. against West Valley. Come and cheer on our girls.
Tomorrow will be Disney/Fairy Tale Day and Boys Buff Puff Volleyball in the main gym at 7 p.m.
Thursday is Teen Beach Day, and at 5:45 there will be a Hoco parade from WHS to Pioneer Parking Lot. Come support our many amazing WHS groups.
After the Hoco parade, there will be a co-ed soccer tournament in the Apple Bowl at 7 p.m.
And Friday will be Pink Out Day with the homecoming football game at 7 p.m. in the Apple Bowl. Wear your pink to the game and come celebrate.
And of course, the homecoming dance is Saturday from 7 to 10 p.m. in the main gym. Please get your tickets soon.
Now it's time for our weekly Did You Know segment with Pierce Hansen. Check it out.
Good morning, I am Pierce Hansen. Did you know the first homecoming event took place in 1911 at the University of Missouri? Some high schools in other states have different homecoming traditions like the animal mascots and mums and gardeners and soapbox derbies. And I hope you enjoyed this segment and have a great homecoming week. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Thanks, Pierce.
We want to remind you to check your email daily for news and information,
including the following info from our counselor from the class of 2025, Mrs. Anaya. Check it out.
Good morning, seniors. I'm Mrs. Anaya, the counselor for the class of 2025. I'm here to remind you to schedule your senior conference. Please check your school email that was sent out to all senior class members about 2 weeks ago. In this email, I shared with you a document called the Senior Info Sheet. And on that sheet, there are details and instructions explaining how to set up your senior conference and with whom you'll be meeting with. I've also included a video that explains the purpose of this conference along with other important information you'll need before your meeting. The senior conference is a required piece of your high school and beyond plan, which is a graduation requirement. Please set up your meeting today.
Thanks, Mrs. Anaya. Let's talk WHS athletics.
Our girls' slow pitch softball team earned a chance for the playoffs with a Big 9 play-in game today at 3:30 at the new softball complex.
Come on by and cheer on your slow pitch team as they take on Davis. Tickets are $5 for students.
Congratulations to Kyla Madriaga. The WHS Senior Cross Country Star was selected as both the Wenatchee World Athlete of the Week as well as the WIAA Athlete of the Week. Please congratulate her if you see her.
If you're interested in playing girls basketball this season, come by and meet our new coach Rachel Lipper on Monday, October 21st in Portable 420 during lunch for a preseason meeting.
Also, the WHS Athletics office is having a $1 jersey surplus sale.
Come and get your team spirit gear and rep old school volleyball jerseys. Limited supply, going fast.
Available in the athletic office during homecoming week. Bring your dollar bills, y'all.
If you want to get swole, the WHS weight room is now open Monday through Thursday from 3:45 to 5 p.m.
To be cleared, complete an online registration, secure an ASB card, and a $12 weight room fee, as well as submit a valid sports physical to the athletics office.
Here's a recap of the rest of sports.
Here's a rundown of this week's clubs and other activities.
The Mental Health Committee meets today in Library 5 during lunch. Please come join us to help support you and others with mental health needs.
Earth Club will meet this Friday during lunch in Mr. Deal's room 303. Come on by to check it out.
The Spanish Conversation Group meets every Tuesday during lunch in room 153. All levels of Spanish speakers are welcome.
Mr. Cloak would like to invite you to join the Knowledge Bowl team. If you're interested in trivia competition, come by Portable 421 during lunch this Wednesday and Friday.
If you're a junior or senior that is interested in the College and Career Fair, WVC, coming up on November 7th, you must sign up for your spot on the bus by November 1st.
Stop by Miss Miri's office, 359, or the Future Ready Center in 412 for permission slips.
The WHS HOSA chapter is partnering with Confluence Health on October 26th for a Make a Difference Day Bone Marrow Registry Drive at Pybus Market from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
This is an amazing opportunity to help volunteer to save someone's life. Please see Mrs. Kaznick for more information about helping out with this amazing event.
Thanks for watching today, and we hope you have a great homecoming week.
Go Panthers!